this one. Good question. I mean, I was also wondering on the same thing. So, Sherry,
Today, Shivani is going to have a tough time. Now, today is a podcast which she's looking after.
I mean, bring it on. Sorry, get it, Punjabi. So, on that note, why don't we Punjabi? In a world where running is often about medals, timing chips, and personal bests, there is one moment in India that reminds us what running was always meant to be about: seva, community, and impact. Super Sikh Run is not just a race, it's a living example of how sport can become service, how miles can turn into meals, and how runners can become a force for good. Today on Run Play Go, I'm joined by the founding pillars of Super Sikh Run: marathoners, ultra runners, coaches, pacers, and community builders who have grown this movement from its earliest days into one of the most powerful, purpose driven running brands in the country. Please join us in welcoming the Super Sikh team to Run Play Go. Gurleen Arora, a marathoner, ultra runner, certified coach, and transformational fitness advocate. Navi Singh, a runner for over 2 decades, a motivator by spirit, and one of the original hearts of Super Sikh Run. Abhay, Kohli the Goli, Kohli, from running his first ever race at SSR in 2016 to becoming one of India's most loved pacers. Harmeet Joshila runner Bahra, a corporate techie by day, long distance runner by passion, and now a co captain of the Super Sikh Running Club. Chanpreet Singh, an endurance runner, certified advanced fitness coach. I'm so delighted to welcome all of you here. The entire heart and soul, the team which is behind the Super Sikh Run, not from today, but for the last 10 years. So it's a matter of great pleasure for Run Play Go to have all of you amongst us today. What is Super Sikh Run really about beyond it being a race? I'll start with you, Abhay.
I think it's inclusivity.
Wonderful.
Yeah, it's a feeling. It's more like a family rather than a run. Feel like you're at home.
Dupli?
For me, I mean, I've devoted the last 10 years exclusively to this, having left my corporate job. So to me, it's everything that
It's like,
it is like.
For me, it's a community, and the community which has taught us to give back to the society.
amazing. Siva.
Yes, that's Seva.
Navi?
It's basically togetherness.
Yes.
And one of the teachings of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Bande Chako.
Yeah.
It's because when we started off, it started off from the Gurudwara.
Correct.
It used to end at the Gurudwara, and jo the langar da, that feeling of that, again. So as I said, that Super Sikh, the Sikh ideology, the thought process, it's with everybody, togetherness, and you share it with everybody.
Well, lots of emotions rolling right now.
Yeah.
If it is only going to be one line, then it is family beyond family. I, as a person, is very aloof, like to stay alone. I don't have a very big social circle, and even my wife complains. All the time you think about is Super Sikh, one race, Super Sikh, one race. So I connect with the entire running community and all the friends who are sitting here at a very deep emotional level. That after the corporate life, after the family life, whenever I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, those 2 hours with me that I'm spending with myself is with my extended family, which is one race, Super Sikh Run.
How amazing is that?
The interesting story is when I started running, and that that music became the pleasure, and then the pleasure became running.
Right.
It got it just amalgamated into
Combined everything.
a feeling.
Right. So they were linked in some manner.
So that time, even when I used to go for a run, I didn't even know how much I was riding because there was no GPS, there was no watch. The first track of run came in 2012, almost 15 years down the line, when watch तो बाद में ही वो phone पे Strava पे एंडो मेंडो करके एक app is the first one.
Like the one that IBM had.
Akido Mendo was the first tracking app. So that is the app when I downloaded and I could understand कि मैं भाग के चला रहा हूँ
मैं करके आ रहा हूँ।
and क्या कर रहा हूँ स्टेज पे भाग रहा हूँ.
This is too such fun happening. You know that everybody knows the duels and the whole party vibe, the carnival vibe which was going on there, and that made me question why wasn't I a part of this? I want to do this too. And then I figured out which run was this. 13 of them ran from India Gate to Gurdwara Rakabganj to launch it. He wanted to prove a point. Correct? And Riti at the Gurdwara, I saw Riti. Yeah. And I asked Riti, we didn't know we were introduced, and she says, "You guys were having so much fun. I ran along." So it's the same thought. I was in the car, otherwise I wouldn't because we're
Coach Rajiv, and they'll welcome you with open arms. They will talk to you. They'll make you feel wanted. They will go ahead and ask you, and they'll spend time with you. She spends time as if she's here only for you, not organizing the entire thing, and that's amazing. I'm not seeing that with anyone. Everybody else will be running helter skelter.
And that day I got reciprocates.
it's the belonging.
And it's because of her, would पहले run it. I finished off. मैं प्रीत मानिक. We were handling the traffic at that roundabout.
You remember?
You didn't see me, I was there with you guys.
Nanu then याद है यार they course they probably
Panicked.
or see
Police opened.
most be had. You know people are running on keep it up मतलब.
One race, that's super sick run.
Nicely said, yeah. Nicely said.
सारी दुनिया गाल कर दिया ट्रांसफॉर्म से. Same weight.
तो बच्चा नहीं जमया ना इस वास्ते.
मैं कुड़ियाँ नहीं. Hey यार बड़ा रहा.
And not to miss one more thing about Gurpreet and Super Sikh Run, they never ever forget to, give some respect or give something, what you can give back to them. They return it to you with an achievement. Whenever I do something like I've done Comrades, I have done Khadumla, I've done Berlin or London, every time she will meet me and she's going to greet me for that particular, and that gives me much more motivation that yes, what's coming next?
As the club, we try and celebrate
Yes,
everybody's achievement.
always.
Harmeet, coming to you quickly, you came in as a runner in 2018, and today you lead the running club, the SSI running club. So, what made you shift from being a participant to actually a builder? You're building a very important piece of the community.
So let's just go back in a bit past, So I come from an army family background. So sports has been all throughout my life.
Part of the
Yeah, part of DNA. And I've been running. I used to love running in my school days. But when I came into the corporate, we suddenly lost everything. And just like what Chan said, I was there in Bangalore for almost about 3 years, working 14 to 16 hours across time zones. And suddenly I was 112 kgs with a waist size of 40 inches. And then one day when I was sitting in my conference room and having a very heated discussion, I stopped hearing anything. It's like you sitting next to me and sounding like you're talking from 100 meters away.
Wow.
So my ears were just blocked. So I went back and told my wife, यार आज ये हुआ है और ऑफिस में. कहती भाई साहब आपका तो बीपी हाई है.
Oh God.
So I went to the doctor in the evening. So she said मेरे को देखा. I was like this fat गाल निकले हुए पूरा फैला हुआ. This is weight कम करना पड़ेगा. The weight I got on the scale, so it's 112 kgs. And that's the day it struck me कि यार ये क्या हो गया. मैंने कहा नहीं अब तो यू टर्न करना पड़ेगा. अभी कोई सुपर से कुछ नहीं है. So next day morning I came out. I wore my track and pant and I started running, and 300 meters I was like panting. Okay, one time I was doing 10 kilometers at 39 minutes, 38 minutes in one time. Then I'm not even able to run 300 meters. So that journey started back as an individual run-up. So then I moved from Bangalore to Delhi. Again, like Chand said, participated in a few races. And then finally in 2018, the first Super Sikh run I participated in. At that time used to have this run from Rakabganj Gurdwara to the Ridge Road and come back. So as a participant, I saw that the community is different. It's very inclusive. People can relate to people. And that vibe of finishing with people together was really great. So that's where I started clamoring for more. So what I would say is that as a participant, I got into a family which was very big. But ਉਹ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਵੱਡੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਚ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਾ ਇੱਕ ਛੋਟਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਨਿਆਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਲੱਭ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਵਾਂ so I was like that. I was lost. So I started clamoring for more attention. So I wanted to get attention from more people, not because I wanted to be famous, but I wanted to be belonged, loved, recognized as a family member, right? And in this journey, I met a lot of people from Punjab, from Himachal, from Delhi, from Gurgaon, and from everybody. As as a smart kid, I started picking up good things. अच्छा ये चीज़ ये बंदा अच्छा करता है इससे ये सीखो, ये बंदा इससे अच्छा करता है इससे सीखो. Started learning, and then I started becoming a better version of myself over a period of time, and then I wanted to give it back. So this is where my conversation with Gurpreet ma'am started. We started talking to each other, and rest she can answer, but she started giving me opportunities to come forward. So she started asking me, Harmeet, will you take this responsibility? And I was like, open hands. ये किसी और को नहीं करने देना. And that's how I think her confidence grew in me, and I kind of started enjoying all the extra responsibilities.
Things with Harmeet. He used to run a program, 1 foot forward with Harmeet. Yeah, he used to invite runners and talk about not just the running but their personal lives. So he brought in a lot of new things which were new to us. He's a techie himself, so the more the merrier. So that he took on so much, and he takes on more till now.
Yeah, so that's how from a participant
Yes.
to that my own personal journey of becoming the loved kid in the family, not from age perspective but from a perspective of the emotion, and then reaching a place where I become part of the the core group, getting recognized within the community as one of the contributors who can attract more people to come in, and then this entire the running club that we have, which is our monthly run that we do. The simple ethos here is to give that small dope of active lifestyle to anyone who comes, whether it is 500 meters, 1 kilometer running, 3 kilometer, 5 kilometer. I still remember the last run that we did. There was this boy who was about 13 or 14 years old. I don't even know his name. So I went the full circle, and after finishing about 7 kilometers, I was coming back, and the boy was huffing, and puffing. He was not able to breathe, and he says कि ना पाजी मेरे को ना फोन नहीं है, मेरे को पापा से बात करो. मैंने कहा क्या हुआ तुझे? मेरे को सांस नहीं आ रही, मेरे को सांस नहीं आ रही. मैं कहा relax. I stopped. I said have water. I had black salt water with me. I offered him water, and then I said, okay, you want to talk to your dad? Speak to your father. So he spoke to his father, and then through the next 3 kilometers, I told him, don't worry, I will get your boy home. He will come safe and sound. He's running with me. Every 100 meters, his father was calling me back. आप कब आ रहे हो? आप कब आ रहे हो? आप कब पहुंच रहे हो? Said, don't worry. He will come back. He will come sound shape 1, running. And we did that 3 kilometers. I think I had 15, 16 calls with his father on my phone that time. But we came back. I dropped him. And then I went on to complete my half marathon. So this is where, we induced that confidence to that little kid through our running group, where, okay, he can approach this distance mentally as well as physically.
Abhay, coming to you quickly, you ran your very first race at SSR. And from that to today, you are the most sought after pacer, actually called Kohli the Goli. Goli is a book. Goli is really the catchphrase, right? So, how did this community change, what you believed, what you were capable of in that first run to where you're today?
I think it's the belief that Gurpreet ma'am and Rajiv ji, they showed. The belief, the encouragement, the support. It motivates you from running in 2016 to getting the pacing assignment in just 2 years.
Correct.
2018 was my first pacing assignment. 1 hour, 20 minutes, I remember. That was the first one. So, the belief came from Super Sick. And that motivates you. And from pacer for 1 hour, 20 minutes to 1 hour. That belief also came from Gurpreet ma'am. When I requested कि नहीं अब थोड़ा सा fast भाग सकते हैं. So why 80? Let's come down to 70 and then 60. And that grew. The confidence grew after that. And from Super Sick and this race, the 2016 Super Sick करी थी and 2017 immediately February में NDM के लिए register हुए थे and I was scared कि भी कैसे होगा the first half marathon अभी तक project and then Navi Paji stepped in and he said don't worry I'll pace you. So he was my first support for the run.
Yeah.
I still remember. Stadium से बाहर ही मिल गए थे and then till the end he ran with me. So that like inclination एक आई कि हाँ if he's pacing me why can't I help someone? So उसी से मेरे को उसके बाद से एक आ गया कि हाँ I also had to give back. So I think through the community.
As a coach and also as an entrepreneur, which you are, do you think purpose driven running, like what this one is, this creates more sustainable athletes than simple performance driven running? So, like you were talking about the pursuit of sub 2, once you've achieved that, then what happens next? But vis-a-vis what you guys have been doing for the last 10 years now, and it's only growing, it's becoming stronger and stronger and stronger, and you're still a part of it and maybe a much stronger part of it now. So, do you think it's more sustainable even as an athlete?
Yeah, I mean, that's a very good point, and I firmly believe till the time it's not enjoyable, it will not be sustainable. Right? I've been through this grind. I have, when I just shared that I did my first run, and that's when I discovered that people told me I finished that first run in 2 hours 7 minutes, half marathon.
Yeah.
That was very first and without any training and all. And people coming and telling me that's a very good time. That's when I'm like, okay, is it a good time? Then I started Googling and I'm like, yo, what's a good time for a person who's 30 something and all? So that's when it all started with me also, right? I want to do better, do better, do better. I've got a good timing of 1 hour 36 minutes for half marathon. I did my very first full marathon in Mumbai, and that I did it in 3 hours 53 minutes. And all of this is just like, it becomes kind of an addiction. Right? You want to do better and better and better. Now what happens is, while it is a good feeling that you do better, there always comes a time when you start climbing down the hill.
Yeah.
That's when it all hits. Yeah. I've been through there, right? I've seen a lot of people get there. Injuries happen because, see, when we started running, there was very little information about how to do good run. I remember I carried one chronic injury because I never selected a good shoe. It's very later in time when white-footed shoe came in, a lot of other shoemakers came in. But at that time, we picked up any other shoe from Decathlon and started running with. Right? I'm sure Hamid would be agreeing. In army, they don't give much of a thought. They run with those hard shoes,
Yeah.
right? And they do 30 something in 10 kilometers. So it all is a mindset. But injuries is a real thing. In India, people are not really aware. And still not aware. They will go ahead and injure themselves. I've seen people running in injuries and making it even worse.
Yeah, the victims.
So coming to your point, you should have such one run days. So I did my big run in 22. But since 22 till now, I've done only one run every year, and that's Super Sick. I'm not participated or registered. Yeah, one off I would be doing Delhi Marathon because that's where I started. So there's one more emotion there. But that also I stopped. I didn't do last year. But this, I always make it a point and I do it because this is not about, achieving something. It's about enjoying the run. It's a festival. And you have a community coming together. Every time, you come back and you get the Chardi Kala, right? That's a parents, that's Sikhism. So, you need to go ahead and come in high spirits. And you need to have that one injection every year. That's why, I come and I run. That's what it is. This is sustainable.
I would say sleep is your biggest recovery exercise, which they do.
The other
क्योंकि वो मेरा प्लान में ये करना है तो वो sleep compromise do it and you won't feel it, but it just adds on and then
And this is something has established. Everybody knows, but nobody is able to control it, right? You're not getting enough sleep, but I have to run.
I controlled it today morning. I slept off. I switched off the alarm.
I was actually telling ma'am the other day, me and we were having a conversation.
The one word that defines Super Sikh Run for you, Abhay.
I'll again say inclusivity.
Actually, I have 3 words. There's Seva, there is Sangat, and there is inclusivity. These are 3 things which make Super Sikh.
Would be oneness and inclusion.
Oh, I was about to say that word. pass. Yeah, I will come back to you.
नहीं, वही लोग हमारे मोदी जी कहते हैं
Exactly.
सबका साथ सबका
Ah.
Fantastic. Happy?
So for me, it's family.
One lesson Seva has taught you.
Seva. Actually, Seva. Dil se Seva.
See, it is part of who we are. So, I mean, I would not say that this is something new,
Yeah.
but this is something which actually builds or binds us all together.
Yeah, so like last time, it's like ecosystem we've all grown up in. So it doesn't come across as something which is different or anything new. But for me, it is that you let go of your ego once you get into it from the.
To be grounded and staying humble, giving back to the community.
Same what you said, when you are at the start line, whichever economic background of start I'll come from, then we were training together, Aday and I, when I'm talking about 8-9 years back. So there were people who were gods, but they were better runners.
Correct.
So running is such an equalizer.
Is a unique.
Yeah.
Equalizer. Absolutely.
Absolutely, it's an equalizer. And
वो बंदा जो better है वो है वो है बस बात खत्म.
yes.
So that's humbleness. और वही सिक्खी है वही
Seva.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Totally. And that is what running is.
And that actually is the ethos, no? That's
What you give is what you get back.
Much is so.
So, as Seva is this, if you are helping someone who is in need, any kind of service that you do without, having an ulterior motive, the universe, the Almighty, the Vaheguru is going to give you back. And that's what Sikhi is all about, and that's what we are all about.
सोचने का मौका देना चाहिए.
हाँ एक. This is not a rapid.
Rapid. So one actually Silvi. There's so many actually. When we start, this is a question. It's very big. This is what brings it together in this table.
And that's service.
That's service, absolutely.
The first thing when I wore a turban and I paced the run, everybody was like, "Can I click one picture with you?" Because that's a fantasy for people. That wow, she is running in a turban, and is it comfortable? Is she able to run? And other part of it is that my husband, my better half, my supporter, he came. Yeah, he came into running because of Super Sikh Run because he could correlate himself with that community. That Super Sikh Run. Yeah, it is my part. I have to, give something to this society.
We have certain
Yeah.
invisible pillars.
Yes.
One of the invisible pillars.
Yes.
Nobody even know who he is, but from the back.
We will always be there to support the love. Yes.
Fortunate enough to interact with him for few of the projects. So, in which he is of tremendous help.
So that guy is so humble. So there was a time when Babes got messed up. The race was about to start, and everybody's standing, and it became a riot.
Colleague and we used to run together.
And last but not the least, it's the only Super Sikh Run where my whole of the family, my mom, my brother, my bhabhi, all of them were there to run along with Super Sikh Run. So that is the most memorable part which I can still remember. And there are many more to come. Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
Yeah.
Had that confidence in me that whatever legacy Super Sikh and One Race had built up by that time, I was, bestowed with that confidence. Okay, this guy can go and represent me on a social media platform. That's really a great responsibility. So that's really memorable for me because then we did almost 3 seasons for that. This year we missed because of our training schedules. But it's a great thing because somebody who does not know you from knows you very limited in a very limited manner suddenly tells you, why don't you go and represent a brand that has been created by the community for the community. So that's the first. And the second is slightly cheeky, but I would still want to say that I only run in One Race T, no matter whichever event it is. So now people think across the running community that this Khalsa was running there, Sweat Squad, one race, Hermeet. ये तो उन्हीं का brand ambassador है. So whenever they say this, I feel whenever they say this, I feel such a sense of pride and belonging. That T-shirt, like just what Navi said, that wearing those colors is like a sense of pride, belonging, that you are actually carrying your own colors no matter whichever race you're running.
अरे we tell him कि हुन तो कुछ और पाला.
No, he's inspiring you to get the highest quality t-shirt. That's what the point.
So, thank you so much, guys, for being here today.